Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa Driven Aftermarket Car Show sa West Edmonton Mall. And honestly, hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko kasi ang daming cool cars dito. But you know what? Hindi lang naman tungkol sa mga cars. It's also about the experience. Ang saya lang makakita na even for just one day, we are all immersed in this world na puno ng creativity, passion, and hard work. Alam nyo, nakakatawa lang kasi we're all in awe right now. Parang tayo everyday. Madami tayong mga bagay na gustong ma-achieve. Yung may milestone, may something big na mangyayari. Pero minsan, we forget na it's the small things that matter too. Like appreciating the little details. Kagaya ng mga custom cars, yung mga wheels, or yung mga paint job. Parang ganun din sa buhay, di ba? Hindi laging malaki, but the little wins, those add up. Kami na mga bagets, sobrang na-amaze sa mga color at itsura ng mga sasakyan. Yung mga bagay na para sa kanila, wow na wow! And I couldn't help but think, how nice would it be to have the childlike excitement for the simple things in life? Kasi sa totoo lang, we adults, we get so caught up in the hustle and grind na minsan nakakalimutan natin kung gaano ka-exciting maging present sa mga moments like this. Ang daming effort na nilagay dito. You can see it in every custom feature, sa bawat design, para lang sa atin, sa pamilya natin, sa mga bagay na gusto natin. We put in the effort. Pero minsan, it feels like, is it enough? Sometimes, we don't see the results right away. Or, we get frustrated na hindi pa yung dream car na gusto natin. Pero you know what? We're all on our own journeys. Yung bawat turn, every upgrade, it all counts. Here's the thing, like these cars, life's not about being perfect. Kasi hindi tayo mga show cars, diba? Sometimes, it's just about enjoying the ride. Kahit na may mga check engine light moments. Alam nyo yung mga araw na feeling mo, lahat ng bagay parang nagka-crash. Pero sige lang. Tapos, bigla na lang may dadating na good vibes. Tapos makikita mo yung mga cool cars na ganito. And it's like, yeah, it's just like what we do every day. We work hard, try to build something nice for our family, and sometimes it's those small moments, like laughing at a corny joke or surviving the day without losing our keys. Yun ang talagang nagpapa-worth it. So yeah, life's like a car show. Lots of stuff that catches your eye, pero the real prize, yung mga simpleng moments na biglang magbibigay sa'yo ng peace, like cruising through life without worrying too much. to, parang pang baby. Meron pa pala sa taas. Dito pa lang kami sa baba. Tignan natin. Akala ko kanina may rides. Ano ba yan? Ano to para sa ano? Skateboard? Ito, mouse. Yung mousepad.
A rug, I think.
Yeah. Yung mga moments na ganito, hindi siya about yung mga bonggang bagay, but the little surprises that make us feel good. Sometimes, life is about finding joy in the unexpected, and that's what keeps us going. Hindi kailangang always perfect. As long as we're enjoying the ride, diba?
Okay. Mystery box.
Mystery box.
If I know.
There's not gonna be anything good.
Okay. I'm checking first.
What?
Ooh. This.
Sticker? Ay, ano ba to?
I don't know what it
air freshener, I think.
Air freshener.
Yeah, it is.
Next.
Next.
What is it? Ooh.
What is it?
Okay.
Vinyl sticker. Okay. What's that? Oh, meron din siya, oh. Okay.
Water bottle.
Okay. Ay, parang ano yung...
Oh
tawag
no.
dito? Oo nga. Oo nga, ganyan lang yung ano niya, itsura. Then,
I don't know what this is.
ganun din yan.
Let me see.
Parang vinyl sticker din. Auto
That's a
sticker eh. Puro pang ano nga eh, puro pang car. Oh, tapos yung pang plate. Okay.
Tatay, you can
That's
change it.
Last one.
Last one, what is it?
Oh,
What is it?
I don't know.
Parang air freshener din.
I don't smell anything.
You have to open it, anak. Let me see. Show it. Yan. Oh, ayan na yan.
Yeah.
That's everything.
Yeah. This looks like pickle juice.
Ewan ko kung ano yan, pero feeling ko air freshener. Okay, so, what do you think about the car show? What do you think about the car show?
Super cool.
Super cool?
Yeah.
Are you sure? How about Tatay? What do you think?
This one's an air freshener?
I'm focused.
I'm focused.
No, what do you mean it's an air freshener?